Hi everyone, welcome to another weekly update where I'll be showing uh, this week's portfolio update. This week is starting from 8th July to 12th July. So let's begin. First, let me show you what was the position of my portfolio on 5th July Friday. Okay, so this is what my portfolio looked like. So in total, there was an investment of 1,24,000 on which total return was 5.5%. This week there was no trade on 8th of July Monday, and on Tuesday I booked profit in Star Health. So there was a profit of around 8%. I will show you the calculation. You can see the average price on which it was sold is 569.5, and there was also a entry in delivery. After that, on 10th there was no trade, and on 12th, which was Friday, there was profit booking in HDFC Life. So in this also I will show you what was the return, and here you can see the position PNL is minus 13 rupees at the end of the day. This is because after I booked profit, the stock went up. You can see the average price on which I sold was 629.05, and the stock recovered to 635.55. So let me calculate and show you the percentage return in Star Health. So if I open my Fires account, so here is Star Health, and in total I had 12 quantity. I have booked 80%, and remaining there is 3 shares. And average price you can see it is 529 rupees. So average price is 529 rupees, and I have sold it at 569. 569 minus 529 divided by. Okay, so I think if you multiply it by 100, it will be a return of 7.5%. So this return is what I got in last 3 months. I started investing in this 3 months before. So I think for 3 months it's a pretty decent return, and I have still some shares left. And if you see currently the total return is 10%, which is not booked. If the capital was large, then in profit amount would be decent. Since the total capital was not that much, the profit is a little bit less. So the next one, the profit was booked in HDFC Life. In this also the capital was less. As you can see, average price for this, where it is, sorry, HDFC Life, yeah. In this average price is 568 rupees. And if you see the selling price it is 629. So it went from 568 to 629. As you can see, it was a return of 10.7%. So it's also a very good return. Let me show my Fire's portfolio. Yeah, here you can see the profit is currently 11.83%. So in this also I have booked 80% of my profit. So in this uh, it started moving up, uh, and I started position building 2 months ago only. So from time frame perspective, 10 months, 2 months of investment, and it gave a return of 10%. So this is also a decent return, and I am still holding a small quantity. So overall, if I show you the portfolio, the investment amount has come down from 1,24,000, which was last week, and the total PNL, the total profit has gone up. Last week it was 5.50%, and now the profit has increased to 6.29%. If I show you, my heavy investments are Asian Paints at 11%. There are investments in paint sectors mostly, burger paints, and there is investment in Dalmia Bharat, which also moved this week. In delivery also there was an investment, but it did not move much. After that, I have heavy investment in paint sector because paint sector was down. So that is why I built my position in paint sector. If you can see in consignor as well, consignor Nerolac as well, I have put decent amount. And this week paint sector has moved up. So earlier consignor was in negative. Now in this week it has come to positive at least. And Asian paints and burger paints have moved. That is why you see increase in returns here and the total unrealized PNL here. So yeah, this is current portfolio allocation, and my never has come down. I am waiting for it to come down more so that I can start investing in this again. I have already booked profit in this. I have already shared in previous videos. So I am at least waiting for it to go 15% negative, 15 to 20% or more, then I will start accumulating again. So coming week, I am expecting to book profits in Singin International, uh, but for this I want it to go up at least till 770. If it is closes above that, then only I will start profit booking. Uh, but still, my target is not reached in this stock. Similarly, there can be profit booking in paint sector as well, but the target is a lot higher for them. For burger paints, I am at least expecting it to go to 600. So there is still some time left. Similarly for Asian paints as well. At least in this I can try to book partial profits because it has not moved much and it is going sideways only. So if it goes to 3000, more than 3100, then I can try to book profits. But I will not be booking any profit right now because 5% return is not enough. At least 10% or more than 10% is good enough for this. So let's see in coming weeks what happens. I will update you. If I show you my unused funds, it has increased to 30,000 rupees around. I'm thinking of ways how I can utilize this fund. So one of ways I wanted to utilize this fund because this right now is of no use. If this is not capitalized, then this is only useless for me. So one of the ways I was thinking to invest in dividend giving stocks. For example, we have some PSU stocks as well which give 6% dividend. So there are one or two companies which give that kind of dividend. So I'm trying to find good position in them, but I will update you if I get any decent level on that. So I'm waiting for those stocks to fall down so that I can put my unutilized funds there, and whenever I need funds to put in another uh, like rotating capital, like in maneuver, I can put some capital if it is goes down. So I can keep my capital on dividend stocks, and whenever it is required, I can sell those. So I'm waiting for them to come to decent level, and I will update you guys whenever there is a chance to take entry. So that is all for this video. I will see you next. That's all for this. Thank you.